What's good, Quay? I'm here at Bangin' Buns in North Hollywood. This is David's biggest stop. These tenders are so crunchy and juicy. Their OG sauce and spicy honey go so hard. 4x4 smash burger. The ranch and mac and cheese in this makes the bite so creamy. Man, these buns are banging. Have you ever had a hot chicken breakfast burrito? This right here is gonna start off your morning right. We need a little bit more cheese. You know, the queso complements this so well. We got the mac and fries plate for dessert. This is straight money right here.